Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Viridis network token. Ticker symbol is VRD. Now this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange starting December 4th. We're going to go over the information on the Viridis network token and how you can get it in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, Viridis Network is a groundbreaking blockchain platform that integrates accessible carbon credits into decentralized finance, fostering sustainability and innovation to control climate change. So this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing. December 4th at 12 o'clock UTC time, the VRD token will be listed on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section December 4th at 12 o'clock UTC time, and search VRD, the ticker symbol for this token, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So there's a few other listings around the same time. So if you check my channel, you'll see some more videos about different tokens being listed today, like the SUC token on Mexc Global and the Altura token, etc. There's a bunch of them. So hit that subscribe button, check out the other videos. So the Viridis network token, VRD, is on the Ethereum blockchain. They have a max total supply of 1 billion VRD tokens. Right now, 2,643 holders, so they're off to a good start here, and 18 decimal places on this token. Now, on their webpage, you can find document section, you can find socials, white paper, network, bridge, explorer, all sorts of things on here. So, Viridis lies at the vanguard of blockchain innovation, leveraging DeFi to drive a genuine impact within climate change. With an unwavering commitment to a sustainable digital future, Viridis introduces several groundbreaking protocols to the wider EVM ecosystem. So number one is the Viridis L2, a dedicated low-gas L2 blockchain that allows users to effortlessly integrate their carbon credits with the full breadth of DeFi innovations. With an emphasis on minimizing transaction fees and environmental impacts, the Viridis L2 is the ultimate destination for authorized tokenized carbon credits. Each carbon credit generates on-chain represents a step towards global carbon reduction goals. They also have the Viridis Carbon Credits, which is an international legal web with an Oracle-driven on-ramp. VRD powers the assurance of wrapped carbon, ticker symbol WCRBN tokens, backed by a global treasury of authorized carbon credits. The wrapped carbon can then be used on the Viridis L2, much like other crypto assets, broadening the scope of financial activities that they can drive. So they also have wider carbon certification. So with the creation of the wrapped carbon assurance framework and release of dedicated L2, VRD will enable the life cycle of carbon credits seamlessly on-chain, from assurance including eventual self-certification to trading to the eventual burning of wrapped carbon to generate a non-fungible certificate of carbon offset that can be used publicly by the burning organization. And lastly, they have the Viridis governance and treasury. So the initial growth of the global distributed treasury organizations will see the VR token holders take ownership of a diversified basket of carbon credits, the VRD treasury. Governance through staking will allow voting on usage of the treasury as well as wider direction of Viridis' sustainable future. So the tokenomics are on their paper here. We pretty much went over all of it except for allocation. So 70% of the tokens go to circulating supply and can be vaulted and bridged to the Viridis network once released. 5% of the tokens acts as the original marketing supply for initial marketing strategies. 10% of the supply is linearly vested over 6 months. 15% of the supply is locked, with 5% unlocking 1 month, 3 months, and 6 months respectively. Now, they also have a roadmap on their paper. If you want to skip right to their document section, you can go to docs.viridis.network, and over there you can learn about the motivation, Viridis L2, carbon credits, etc. They have all sorts of links on there as well. So Phase 1 of their roadmap here, starting with the launch of the ERC20 token, creation of a liquidity pool on Uniswap. So that's where a lot of people got this token prior to the Mexc global listing, was on Uniswap. And then Phase 2 here, Viridis will release its iteration of the technical white paper and documents, and then outlining architecture of the first carbon neutral chain. Incorporation of legal entities around carbon, and then we got the Viridis L2 testnet, creation of bridge to Ethereum, minting of wrapped carbon in exchange for carbon credits, generation of carbon certification NFTs through burning of wrapped carbon. Then they come out with the architecture formulation for wrapped carbon, global company license setup, first funding of Viridis carbon credit treasury, development of wrapped carbon, creation of the front end user experience for redemption and use of carbon. And then we got global distribution of companies, creating hubs around the world, integration of the L2 with the wrapped carbon system, and then partnerships, and then etc. More to come. So check it all out, docs.viridis.network. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. Check out the referral codes. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.